Hey guys, Levelwadi here. Today I'm gonna be playing Hill Climb Racing. You probably read the title and saw that I'm playing Hill Climb Racing. So let's get started. Oh my! I haven't played this game in so long. I haven't played this game. This guy's he's gonna crack his neck. I swear. Because I do suck at this game. I am so sorry about the background noise. That's just my stupid sister. That's my stupid sister. And she has her friends over, so please try and ignore that. I told them to be quiet, but they just don't listen very well. So maybe, I don't know. Try to ignore them. Sorry. This might be one of my worst YouTube videos ever. Because these stupid idiots are here. Why do they have to come over to those every single week? Oh my god. I'll quit. Somehow managed to escape. Die. That was illegible. Also, why does it say finger on the wheel? So it says finger monster or monster finger. I think it says finger monster actually. Oh, I did a neck flip. I have done a super neck flip. That was crazy. Like I said, please try and ignore them. Please, hold on. Guys, I'm recording a flippin' YouTube video! Oh my god. I'm so sorry about this, guys. Oh, I got 1,000 gems! Also, what is this clean? That looks so weird. There's blind coins. Ah! Guys, like this video if you want me to continue. Maybe I can make this a series. I don't know. Also, if you subscribe, then once I hit say 45 subscribers, I might not be able to hold that. But once I hit like one more subscriber, 35 subscribers, and then I will upload a traffic light video. If you guys don't know what that thing is, make sure you go check it out. I do not know how to link things in the description. But like I said, please try and ignore those fuckers. Quiet down! What was this thing telling me? If you didn't know that, then I'm just kidding. I mean, wait, what? No, I understand. Wait, what? Fuck. Oh. Hey. Woo! Oh, I'm totally gonna go off-roading when I'm older. I wanna get an enduro bike. You guys don't know what that is. It's basically a dirt bike plus a motorbike. You're allowed to ride them on the streets. They're very jacked up. And they're also about a little slower than motorbike.
We're sleeping in the living room.
Oh, come on. Shut up, guys!
Okay?
Shut up! I'm recording a YouTube video. Do you not realize that? I told you! Guys, rewind the video and tell my stupid sister that I told her. Oh, this has gone wrong.